Happy Sunday to you all, wherever you're watching me from. Good afternoon, and I want to share with you guys. I did it once and it worked perfectly for me. So I said, let me share quickly for you people. Guys, I saw many people having so many recipes of this particular thing I'm going to tell you. Okay, I have so many people have different recipes. Okay guys, this, all of us know what garlic and ginger, lemon combined with honey can do in our system. I don't want to go into detail. Today we are going to make something like an herb that will help you to prevent cold and boost your immune system. This is the bottle we are going to put the consistency in. Okay guys, I am improving in this my consistency of the thing because it's quite difficult for me to pronounce it. It's not everybody that is more fluent with some English. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you guys what we are going to use to do this herbs we are going to use. Okay, this herbs is good to take morning and night, and it helps to boost your immune. And in this herb I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to use a lot of ginger. It is a super immune booster. If you want to boost your system, not to be always going to hospital, this will cleanse your kidney. Like the moment the period I was taking it, I can't explain very well, but it works. Take a tablespoon of it every morning and night, and with honey. The olive oil is like a miracle. It will help you to clean up your digestive system. Okay, and cube it all together, both the garlic and everything. Going to do it together, but I'm going to just use the juice of the lemon. I'm going to use the juice of the lemon, guys. So, and we're going to use half a cup of honey and half a cup of the olive oil. So guys, welcome back. I have already prepared the garlic and ginger and every quantity that I want to use to do this syrup. I have ginger here, I got garlic, honey and oil, and I have my lemon. So I have garlic 100 grams and ginger 200 grams. Okay, so I have honey and 100 ml, 125 ml of honey and 125 ml of oil, and I have the lemon 100 ml. Okay, so I'm going to all add them in my blender here, as you guys can see, and then I will put them in the storage protein. These are my baby's food bottle, so I wash them and sterilize them in the microwave, okay, for some minutes. This herb is very good for cold weather, cold time. You can actually make it as tea, boil warm water, and add 1 tablespoon of this mixture, this syrup or puri or syrup, I don't know, syrup puri is very good for your health. You can check it out on internet, on Google, to see the benefits of these whole ingredients. Guys, I can't go more further to explain this because I don't want the video to be more than 5 minutes. Nice, I will not be blending it in your ears. Okay, so I have added the whole ingredients inside my blender. Another thing I want to tell you guys that is very important: if you are not close to where there is olive oil, in case of your digestive system, this one is also good. Maybe you can remove the olive oil and add castor oil. Castor oil is very good for our digestive system. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, you can see that I have a very nice consistency here. Okay, and I have blended it. Now I'm getting my water ready to show you guys how it comes out to be. Okay, so this is very good for your health. If you don't like garlic, like me, I cannot just eat garlic like that. So all of us know the health benefits of garlic. Okay, so this is a very perfect way that you're going to enjoy eating garlic. With this recipe, you cannot be able to have the smell in your mouth. Then nobody can say, go out of my sight. No, when you eat garlic, it smells horrible. Okay, but this one is 1 in a million that everyone has to try. This I will store it in my refrigerator for further future use. Okay, every morning is good for you to take this every morning. There are so many things that is good for you to take every morning. After you take 1 spoon of it, like, okay, beautiful people, it's ready now. I have already added them in my container. I have get 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon to measure out the mixture, the putty, for you guys to see what I mean. So I will add 1 tablespoon to my water. Okay, so I have add this mixture in the water. As you can see, guys, it's beautiful. In case you don't like garlic, this is the best way you can consume garlic. Okay, this garlic is very good for you, for our health. Okay guys, thank you very much for passing by my channel. Thank you for my old subscribers. Thank you for the new ones that are going to enjoy this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Guys, thank you very much. One love. Bye bye.